Hi, I'm Dr. Toby Colliver, the chiropractor here in Cobham, and I'm just taking you through a regular adjustment here at our office. It's your pelvis that's the foundation for your spine, so we want that to be straight, balanced and level, and we use specific adjustments using a special table to gently rebalance the pelvis. Your lower back is the source of a lot of back pain and leg pain or sciatica. So again, we can gently adjust these areas to take the pressure off and clear up all of those kind of symptoms. Another technique I use is called zone technique. This is where we can use specific points to determine exactly what needs adjusting in the body to have an influence on all the body's symptoms. Everything is connected in the body, and we can determine and have influence on many different things, even if you didn't expect that we could help with them. When we adjust joints in your neck, it doesn't have to be forceful. It's just gentle and precise. And the beauty of that is that it opens up the connections between your brain and your body, allowing all the energy, attention, power, strength, and connection to get back to every cell in your body to allow it to be its best again. We want you to be exactly how you were originally designed to be, and that is being totally 100% healthy.